Hello everyone. So if you want to perform a hard reset using recovery mode on your Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE, keep in mind that this method can be used if you've forgotten your screen unlock password. However, keep in mind that if you sign into a Google account, you'll need to log in again after the reset. So first of all, we need to power off the device. Let's understand which buttons are we gonna be needed. We will need our power button right here, and for the whole process we will need our volume button right here. They're on the sides of our screen. So now let's turn off our device. Hold your power button, choose your power off option. Now give your tablet a couple minutes to be powered off completely. After your device is fully off, you're to press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. So hold them and keep on holding both buttons until the Xiaomi logo appear on screen. Then you gotta release your power button, but keep on holding the volume up button. And this will bring you into your recovery mode. Alright, so here we are. This is our recovery mode. Alright, I rearranged the screen for your further comfort, and let's keep up with our hard reset. So now you can navigate through this mode using your volume key, so volume down for and volume up for navigating, and power button to confirm. Now we are to choose our wipe data option. Press power button, choose your wipe data, confirm your choice by pressing confirm, and give your tablet a couple minutes to do a full reset. It will take some time, and when the reset is finished, as you see it just did, simply press power button to go back to this menu, and now choose reboot option. So press on your power button once again, press reboot to system, and basically that's it. Now your device will restart into Android. Now your Xiaomi Pad SE is clean and ready for a fresh setup. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.